My smart robot AI, imagine cup submission. Are you tired of lugging around heavy books? Teachers, are you drowning in grading? Parents, are you overwhelmed by chores? In schools and homes, students, teachers, and parents often struggle with everyday tasks. This takes away from learning and personal growth. Time spent on routine tasks detracts from what truly matters. A smart robot can assist with these tasks, improving productivity and well-being. Imagine a robot that helps with physical tasks like carrying books and cleaning. What if it can also assist teachers by grading assignments? We propose a robot that interacts with students and parents to organize tasks and provide reminders. This reduces the physical and mental burden on everyone. It increases efficiency and allows people to focus on more important tasks. Personalized reminders and task assistance make daily life more organized. Introducing RoboAssist, your personal task helper. It automates tasks like carrying books and organizing materials. RoboAssist uses natural language processing to understand commands and provide reminders. It can even grade simple quizzes and assignments. With Student Assistant Mode, it helps with organization, reminders, and study plans. Interactive Mode makes learning and chores more fun with educational tasks. We designed a prototype using AI, robotics, and machine learning. RoboAssist recognizes basic commands like carry my books or grade this quiz. We tested RoboAssist with students, teachers, and parents to refine its functionality. The AI uses machine learning to prioritize tasks. RoboAssist uses voice recognition to understand commands, data,